Guys, my name is yorelisc and welcome to my beauty space. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to do a quick little photo shoot and I wanted to do some pink. We are finally in the last week of summer and I am just looking forward to fall. I am done. I don't know about y'all, but I am done with summer 2018. I wanted to, end summer with a bang, so to speak, but I am ready for fall. Okay, I am ready for pumpkin spice. I am ready for the dark vampy looks. I'm ready for the bronzy deep tones. I'm just ready for it all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay till the end so you can check out my outfits for my little photo shoot that I posted on the gram. And if you're not following me on the gram, you should. I will leave all of my info down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave me any comments below. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to glow. All right guys, I'll see you. Bye. Going to start off with my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Just gonna skim through this quickly. Boom! The brows are on. I'm just going to clean them up with a little bit of concealer. And for that, I'm going to use the KKW Beauty concealer. I'm going to pick up an angled brush. So I am going to do my base first, and the first thing I'm going to do is color correct. And for that, I'm going to use the LA Girl color corrector. Primer, I'm going to use this Tarte Clean Slate primer, and I'm just going to use this for my oily T-zone. To add glow to the skin, I'm going in with this Drunk Elephant bronzing serum. Now this serum is so bomb. I raved about this in my last video if you want to go check that out. For foundation, I'm going in with this Born This Way foundation in the shade Brulee, one of my summer favorites. To blend that out with my beauty blender. I'm actually getting ready for a photo shoot. I am gonna take a couple of pictures in a summer outfit that I didn't get to wear all summer. So I'm gonna do like a simple eye look that's very pretty and very pink. I love doing pink looks. I'm just ready to let summer go. A lot happened this summer for me. A lot of eye-opening things, but I mean, it's not a bad thing. It is part of life. You do have to learn your lessons, and that's what I'm gonna do. For concealer, I'm gonna use this KKW concealer in the shade 11. How many of you guys are gonna get the Cherry Blossom palettes? Should I get that? I haven't tried any of her palettes yet, and she has 3 now, and I do want to try them because I was really impressed with this concealer, and I do want to try a couple of products from her. I just don't know which one to get so far. I'm definitely looking forward to new fall makeup. That's like the cool thing about seasons. Like, it gives you a chance to start new, start fresh. Like, it may not have been your summer, but you can end it on a high note and then make fall definitely your season. I'm definitely looking forward to new fall makeup, new fall clothes, and just new fall vibes. I just felt like this summer was just crazy, and I'm not just like talking about like in my personal life, because yes, things have happened to me, but I'm not gonna let those things define me, and you shouldn't either. Excuse my voice, like I'm on the verge of getting sick. The new season, I'm gonna let that stop me from slaying. All right, I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier powder. Since it is pretty humid today, I am gonna set in other areas. Oh, I'm so sorry about all the noise you're hearing. I have the windows wide open, so everyone got like their ACs on. And it's New York. There's nothing you can do about noise. I feel like my hair is frizzing up on me. Like, it's just getting bigger and frizzier, and it's just being ridiculous right now. Gotta love New York, right? Going to contour with an oldie but a goodie, the Anastasia contour kit. I like to mix all 3 of these shades, so that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm finna do. And I'm going to use a Morphe 529 brush. For blush, I'm going in with my blush kit from Anastasia, and this is in Radiant. I am picking up a angled brush. This is a crown brush. I got this years ago and it's still going good. And I am picking up like this peachy color here. I love putting on blush. Before I put on my highlighter, I'm going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Desi X Katie highlighter in the shade Mirame from Dose of Colors. I'm so freaking excited that they are coming out with a part 2. If you guys didn't see it online, they announced it yesterday. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I'm freaking excited. Like, I'm gonna get the whole collection like I did last time. I am totally looking forward for a new glow, a new makeup palette. They did post a few eyeshadows. I haven't been online today, so I don't really know if they posted more. I know that yesterday they posted like this blue eyeshadow that looks so insane, and they also posted like this gold one to die for. Like, I went to see Predator this weekend. Let me tell you something, I am the biggest Predator fan ever. Like, I grew up watching Predator. My dad is a huge action man. Like, whenever we went to the movies as kids, we didn't watch regular Disney movies. Like, my dad took us to watch like action movies, and I think that was kind of cool of him, because I got like this kind of like a tomboy side to me. I freaking love that movie. I'm obsessed with it. Look at me, I'm rambling about a Predator movie. But anyways, I love watching Predator. I was so sad when the actor died, the one that played Billy. I remember this one scene is like one of my favorite scenes, where he's like, Billy, you know something. What is it that you know? I'm scared. He's like, bullshit. You ain't scared of no man. That ain't no man. We're all gonna die. You know? I know the movie so well. Like, I know line by line. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. Before I freaking forget what we're doing, I'm going in with the Blushing Berries palette, another summer favorite of mine, and I'm using my beauty, I was gonna say beauty blender, my blending brush. This is from Morphe 513. I'm gonna use the second shade here, which is Roseberry. So yeah, I got to see the new Predator. I liked it mostly because I really like the upgrade that they did to the Predator. I like all his little gadgets. I like the technology they use, like the upgrade as far as like how he could, you know, move around the room, how like his suit was, his headgear. I liked all of that stuff. I, however, wasn't a huge fan of plot overall, and then like some of the acting things, I felt like it was kind of dumb, you know? But I appreciated the movie for what it was, you know what I'm saying? And I thought it was super funny. The jokes were really good. I wasn't a fan of, I'm not gonna give it away if you haven't seen it, but I wasn't a fan of the dogs. I kind of felt like, I don't want to talk about it too much without giving it away, but I kind of felt like it was kind of pointless. But as a Predator fan, hell yeah, go see it. Like, if you are really into the Predator and you're into like first one. I'm gonna use the middle shade Berry Pop. You know what's funny? The main actor, I kept looking at him throughout the whole freaking movie, and I was like, why he looks so damn familiar? Like, where is this guy from? I didn't even know it was the guy from Sons of Anarchy, and mind you, I used to watch that show. I'm using another blending brush, and I'm gonna use Mixed Berries, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna angle my application as if it's eyeliner. For my lid shade, I'm gonna use Berry Chic. For my inner corners, I'm gonna use this Shall We Dance shade from Dose of Colors. I use this in my bridal tutorial because I freaking love this shade so much. So I'm gonna pop this right here in the inner corner. You can apply lashes if you want, but I'm just gonna pop some mascara on because I really like this look without it. To finish off today's look, I'm going in with this Kylie Jenner lip kit, and this is in the shade Harmony. So I'm gonna use the pencil first to outline the lips. To set everything in place, I'm going in with this Milani setting spray. Woo. Held me down all summer long.